Hi Camille. You've just brought your Mazda 6 in.
Yes.
It's been a bit unhappy. What was it doing?
It was really slow. I was struggling to accelerate. The DPF was knackered, basically.
Right, and had this been happening for quite some time?
Yeah, was driving for this block DPF like 3-4 weeks.
Right.
And I just spent so much money on it, changing the sensors, like try to clean the filters, changing the parts on it, and was nothing really working.
Right.
So yeah, you're my last chance.
Right. Okay. Well, lovely. No pressure then. Anyway, we've just run a deep clean decarbonising treatment, and we've also cleaned your injectors. You've just gone for driving it. What do you think?
And it's so much better. Yeah, the acceleration is mint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more lights on?
No more lights on. That's what was bothering me so much for so long. I was like, just turned off.
So we've now got, we're out of limp mode, DPF lights on.
Yeah.
You're a happy customer.
Oh yeah, very happy customer.
Right, thank you very much for the video.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, thank you.